Hello there. Let's take a few minutes to get your headphones set up and connected to your iOS device. Then we'll run a 5-minute session together. Before we begin, be sure your headphones are fully charged and that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. First, let's get acquainted with your device. Your headphones use Bluetooth technology, indicate left and right, and are adjustable. The charging port and power buttons are located on the bottom. And of course, the main feature, the EEG sensors. There are 5 of them, including 2 on the cheek sensors. Power on your headphones by pressing the power button for 1 to 2 seconds. You'll hear the power up message. Then go ahead and place your headphones on, ensuring the left and right speakers are on the correct side and that the sensors are touching the skin. Double check the rear and cheek sensors, which may require you to move the headphones forward or slide any hair out of the way. Now go to Settings on your iOS device. Under Bluetooth, select your headphones by choosing the device that starts with VN for Vital Neuro. Once selected, you'll hear Connected. You should only have to do this the first time. Open the Vital app and log in. Select a Relax Air 5-minute session. A pop-up window will list your device, and go ahead and click on the heart icon to make it a favorite. Then click your device name to start the session. Congratulations, your headphones are now ready to use. If you have any questions or need assistance, our team is just a message away. Enjoy your session and remember, you are vital.